Guys, we are in the middle of nowhere in Guatemala, near the border of Mexico, in the north, in the jungle is where we are right now, because we have another adventure vlog. We have a 5 or 6 day trek into the jungle to go and find the largest pyramid that has been newly discovered beneath the jungle of Guatemala. They have jaguars, monkeys, snakes, dogs, women on motorbikes. They have everything here. Hola. But yes, this is where we are on the map, and this is where we are going to. I'm so ready for this. I love adventure vlogs where they take multiple days of hiking in a random place. Let's get into this. Ah. Conmigo, por favor.
No regresa, se lo comen.
Sí, conmigo, es mi responsabilidad. So the guide is saying the dog is not allowed to come because he's going to get eaten by a jaguar. But I want him to come. Come on, I want him to come with me for the 6 day trek. Come on, buddy. Come on. You come with me. Oh, yeah. Come on. We're going on an adventure. We're going for an adventure, buddy. Come on. That's right. I'm taking this dog with me. And if any jaguars come to eat it, I will attack them. I've been thinking of a name. His name is going to be Twig, because he's as skinny as a twig, like a skinny little stick. So I'm going to call you Twig. Monkeys. Twiggy boy, you waiting for me? Huh? Are you waiting for me, are you? Are you happy that you're with me? You're going to be with me for the next 5 or 6 days. Oh! He definitely gets abused. He's super skinny, hence why he's called Twig. He wanted to come with us. You could see that. He's coming with us. He's going to have some of my food, and we are going to look after him. Better than he would get looked after in the village. I've just realised I've brought fucking soda water. Oh my gosh, my water for the hike is soda! That is not hilarious. Look. Come on. Here, look. He doesn't even trust drinking water. That's it? That's all you're thirsty for? Too many mosquitoes, isn't there, Twig? ¿Dónde? Oh, it's a jaguar's footprint. Nuevo.
Ah, ese pasó como en la mañana.
Wow. ¿Hoy?
Sí.
Wow.
No!
Oh, Twig, bro. We don't want your footprint. It's not as cool as a jaguar's. Come on. You have cool paws though as well. The indents of the claw, which is a jaguar's footprint. And she said that the jaguar was walking this path around 5 o'clock this morning. Oh! Come on then.
Él lo cuida, su responsabilidad.
Sí, es mi niño. Come on, I'm hungry too, but you can eat. I promised I'd feed you. favor. Finally, he has a good life.
And then you're just gonna leave.
And then we're just gonna leave him. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, everyone's feeding him. This is great. I'm loving this. Finally, everyone's being nice to this poor dog. There you go, look, big piece for you. Oh yeah. What have we just seen, buddy? There's some monkeys in the tree. Wow, you see that twig? My little buddy's on an adventure with me. Look, they're trying to knock the trees onto me. Yeah, nice one. He's trying to break the branches. Here we go. There's the branch. They keep throwing branches down at us. Look, he's got one. Look, there we go. Oh, twig, watch out, bro. Watch out. Come on, let's go. They're throwing fucking sticks out. Look at them, look, they're throwing everything at us. Yeah, go on. Try it again, I dare you. You almost got hit, Twig, with a twig. A twig almost hit Twig from a spider monkey. What even is life right now? You look, now that we've walked away, they've swung to the nearest trees to scout us out. Look, look, he's got a massive stick in his hand. He's about to drop it. I told you! Oh! Fuck you, spider monkey. These guys are evil. Twig, watch out. Move, move. Twig, you're gonna get hit by these motherfuckers here. Go on, try it. Bring it, bring it. I dare you. You. Come on. What even is life right now, Twig? You drink from the puddle of muddy water, but you don't drink from the water bottle. You're so silly, Twig.
Smells like pepper?
Look, smell this. It smells good. He's gonna go for the birds. Uh-oh. He's going for it. Oh! Twig's going for another one. You are the silliest little Twig. Why are you trying to attack all the animals, huh? That's why the spider monkeys tried to get you. So this is the setup we got for tonight. Oh yeah. Better than I thought it was going to be, to be honest.
Tiene como una tenaza.
Ah. Look who it is. The Twig Master. Twiglet.
Yo estaba como, wow, estamos yendo muy rápido ahora.
I could have eaten this for energy, but you deserve it for coming with us. Now you're definitely not going to be hungry. Oh, you like that, didn't you? You like that, didn't you? Oh.
Or something, but it was just one of
You already know what we're doing. There he is. There he is.
They don't take their bag.
This dog.
The Mirador.
Twig's not allowed to come with us anymore, so I have to say bye to him. You've been a good companion though, buddy. Twig, you can't come with us. Oh no. No. He's been tamed. No. No. Twig, what's happened? Oh, look, he's trying to come with us. Que triste, hermano. because we're going into a national park today where the lost pyramid is, Twig is not allowed to come with us because, as you saw yesterday, he was wrecking all of the wildlife. Uh-oh, he's going for it. Oh! So he's not allowed to come into the sacred national park. Hola, buen día. Whoa! What the fuck? But yes, because we're going into a national park, he's not allowed to come with us because he will disturb everything. So I kind of understand it. It's very sad. Who's ready? Woo! I am! So this is the map of what it used to look like. We've started here. We've made it to El Tintal, which is where we were yesterday for the sunset on top of here. And then today, we have to walk all the way to El Mirador, which is the main temple, the largest temple in the world. That's the story, if you wanted to know some history. We're going inside a Mayan ruin. We've got more enemies at the camp. Spider monkeys. Aquí. Perfecto, gracias. This is the tent. So if you want to see the situations for the shower, let me show you. Oh yeah. This water looks crazy to wash myself in. So I've got some shampoo in, I've got soap on my body, there's ants biting my feet. There's monkeys fighting right above us whilst I'm standing here butt naked taking a shower. Damn. Night number 2 in the rainforest. Luckily, my tent isn't see-through like this guy's. You can just spy on him whilst he's sleeping. Imagine having a see-through tent. I'm surprised you're not naked.
Stop,
I just get to watch you sleep.
That's invading privacy now, bro.
I'm not in your tent though. I'm allowed to stand here.
Yeah, but don't record it.
This is in the public
Please don't
space.
Put it online.
This is the public space.
Don't put it online. That's not public space, bro.
He's really got a see-through tent.
Bro.
We get to just sit here and watch him sleep all night. Buenas noches. ¿Qué haces?
Para abrir esto. Pero está muy grueso.
¿Necesitas ayuda?
No, no te preocupes.
No. You can hear the howler monkeys. They woke us up at like 4 AM this morning, howling so loud. Howler monkeys are the most annoying things ever. Ooh. Mhm. Woo! Perfecto.
Sí.
Los monas es muy molesta.
Sí, mucho molestan.
En la mañana.
Sí.
Demasiado.
Por eso se cortó el...
Ajá.
Para que no estén tirando basura. Porque botan basura.
I'm not sure how to get down then, but...
Oh.
Stupid idea was this?
So this pyramid here was discovered and they thought there was going to be a tomb inside, and they searched the entire pyramid and didn't find anything. And then this is one that's currently being dug out, but as you can tell there's going to be another big pyramid underneath all of this dirt, just like this one.
Something like that.
Ooh, scary. You said there's bats in here? Oh god, this is horrible. Oh yeah, there's bats. I can see the bats over there. I can officially say I've been inside an ancient Mayan pyramid. Oh yeah. So that's a howler monkey there.
Yeah.
So this was the sacrifice table. And that's how she looked when she gets sacrificed. Wow, that was a nice little pose. See?
Ah! No! No!
Oh yeah. Bro's back chilling in the see-through tent. Oh, I love watching him sleep.
No privacy.
I'm on public land.
No, you're not.
It's like living in a glass house and then getting annoyed when people look at you.
You chose that tent.
Guys, we are en route to the final pyramid, El Mirador, one of the biggest pyramids in the whole world, and we're going to see the sunset from the very top. And it's crazy too, when you're at the top of these pyramids, it doesn't look like much on the camera, but when you've been walking in the jungle for so long and you finally get above the canopy and all you can see is a sea of trees, it really is pretty special. Wow, this is crazy. We're coming up to the base of the main pyramid, La Danta. Where this pyramid is was the capital for all of the Mayans in the area. Now it doesn't look like much, but this is just the tip of the iceberg, and everything below it, under all the soil and rainforest, is a huge pyramid, and this is the tip of it. 1,000 years ago, this would have been a crazy temple with people being sacrificed, politics, all sorts of things going on. But now it's just some overgrown ruins that have just been discovered about 70 years ago.